Hi, my name is Tony de Graaf van Berks and welcome to 7 at 5 Barker Avenue in Como, a spacious, stylish and modern apartment in a truly lifestyle location. Come, experience it for yourself. Clever design features such as floor-to-ceiling glass sliding doors, extra high ceilings and an open plan living area that brings the lounge, dining and kitchen together all deliver a real sense of space that you would not expect in a single bedroom apartment. Stylish additions like timber flooring, LED lighting, stone bench tops, ducted reverse cycle air conditioning and quality European kitchen appliances present to you a unit without compromise.